Hello and welcome to Model Office latest software upgrades training video. This time we have something very special to demo for you, and we believe an industry first: Model Office Consumer Duty data analytics across the consumer duties for consumer outcomes, fully integrated with intelliflo. We're also working with Iris to offer these dashboards to Iris users shortly. Remember, Model Office's mantra is if you haven't got the data, it didn't happen. And if you do, it better have happened. So we are keen to ensure our data and analytics always provide you with the latest information and guidance on your data quality and what data you need to report on to meet the FCA directives, and in this case, the consumer duty. For those intelliflo clients using Model Office, you'll be familiar with this dashboard, which provides a link at the top tab here. And once you've clicked that, you will then see the information on Model Office integration through the intelliflo API. In this particular case, it looks at the data quality health check, which allows intelliflo users to sense check their client data quality, for example, duplicated clients or missing data fields, instantly, and clean up the data with a CSV file. So we can see here as an example, we can go into the duplicated clients or the missing data fields, and this can all be downloaded as a CSV file so that the data can be cleaned up instantaneously, all in real time, saving lots of time across the data cleansing exercises that you may have to do across your client data and ensure GDPR compliance. The Consumer Duty tab down here takes you into this dashboard, and this is related to each individual clients in your intelliflo Office practice management technology. So you can place your client's data information here to gain their data. So if we just click on any particular client, then you'll see this information tab appear, which is also replicated on the full dashboard as the API calls take effect. And we are looking now at the system going into the intelliflo Office that we have in our sandbox at this moment in time to showcase the dashboards for you. So once that has taken place, here you can see information that provides full guidance, as mentioned, on the data dashboard's outputs. And you also have a disclaimer here, which gives more information about the signposting and guidance the data provides. So you can see the data covers the 4 outcomes: products and services, price and value, consumer understanding, and consumer support. Each area is split into parent and child data points to better structure what data applies to each section, and in keeping with Model Office's gamification strategies, we benchmark your client data value with a RAG rating that focuses on both parent and child data points, scrutinizing the data quality. If any data is missing completely, then this will appear as a blue outline, like so. Let's take a look at an example. So in products and services here, the parent are plans, contributions, plan types, client categories, latest valuations, holdings, fund transactions, and assets. And you can see that each parent has a number of child points, and they're all RAG rated according to the data available in each. The child scores then drive the parent score. So we can see here that plans has scored an amber, which is driven by the child scores here. And then the 4 outcomes, so products and services, are driven by the overall scores of the child and parent. So in this particular case, products and services has scored a value of 58% of data of value. And you can see the key here at the top, which is the missing value, the low, the medium, and the high value. And it's exactly the same across each outcome and its parent and child data fields. As the disclaimer shows, this is guidance only. There may be good reasons for no or little data, and indeed is not designed as a defined advice on the consumer duty outcomes. So for example, in price and value down here, you've got a fairly decent score across these data fields. But what we're not saying, or the system is not saying, is that your clients are really happy with the fees that you're charging, unfortunately. What it is showing is the quality of the data in those particular fields. These dashboards should help you ensure that you can identify data and the quality of that data to report on the consumer duty related good outcomes. They will help you in meeting the key we see to compliance with the duty, that of foreseeable harm. If you have confidence that your data is high quality and matches your fact finds, your client file information, for example, then this should ensure you gain good trend analysis that your clients are gaining good outcomes against the 4 duties outcomes. So there we are. If you have any questions or you'd like a tailored demo for your business, please do email us on info@model-office.co.uk. Thank you very much for your time.